Paulownia tree, pros and cons, condensed. This tree grows 20 feet per year and produces valuable timber in 5 years. But it's also called an ecological nightmare. Let's break down the real pros and cons of Paulownia trees. I'm at a Paulownia plantation in South Carolina. These trees represent one of the most debated species in forestry. Let's examine the real advantages and disadvantages. Pro 1. Incredible growth rate. We're talking 10 to 20 feet per year. An oak takes 50 years to mature. Paulownia, just 5 to 7 years. Pro 2. Carbon powerhouse. One tree sequesters 150 plus pounds of CO2 in year 1. When harvested, the stump regrows. No replanting needed. Pro 3. Valuable timber. Called the aluminum of lumber, lightweight but twice as strong as balsa. Used for instruments, furniture, construction, naturally fire-resistant. Economics. Pro 4. Economics. Market prices $400 to $1,200 per cubic meter. 1 hectare potentially yields $240,000 in 6 years versus 50 years for traditional forestry. The cons. Invasive species risk. Con 1. Invasive species problem. There are 17 Paulownia species, but Paulownia tomentosa is considered to be highly invasive in some areas and has damaged ecosystems. This single species gives the entire genus a bad reputation. Many don't realize the difference between invasive and non-invasive varieties. High requirements. Con 2. Demanding requirements. Needs 1 gallon of water per seedling first year in drier areas, specific soil conditions, and most can't survive below -25 degrees Celsius. Some hybrids are adapted to colder areas. Check with your supplier. Market and management. Con 3. Market uncertainty. Paulownia timber market is still developing. No guarantee current high prices continue. Con 4. Complex management. Requires careful pruning, training, and ongoing attention. Without proper management, you get bushes, not valuable timber. Species selection critical. Here's the key. Species selection matters. Modern commercial varieties like Shantung hybrid are sterile, can't spread invasively, but you need reputable suppliers who understand the differences. The bottom line. Bottom line, Paulownia offers incredible potential. Fast growth, carbon sequestration, valuable timber, but real risks exist. Invasive potential with non-sterile species, high water needs in desert regions, climate limits, market uncertainty. Key questions: right climate, adequate water, understand species differences, long-term plan, identified markets? If yes to all, worth considering. Your choice. Paulownia isn't magic, but isn't disaster either. It's about homework. What do you think? Are the pros worth the cons? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more agricultural insights. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.